Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 slow boot problem. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, disable unwanted apps one by one. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, change timeout seconds, click Apply, click OK, click Restart now. Fourth step is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates, select Recently Installed Update, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type chkdsk space, /command space, /f space, /x space, /r. Type Y and exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.